Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study maths for bank exams. First, understand the syllabus and topic weightage. Focus on foundational concepts like arithmetic and algebra. Daily practice is crucial for improving calculation speed and accuracy. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to quantitative aptitude. This structured approach will build a strong base for success. Next, prioritize essential topics. Data interpretation, simplification, and number series are high-scoring areas. Master shortcuts and Vedic math techniques to solve problems quickly. Allocate significant time to core concepts such as percentages, ratios, profit and loss, and time and work. Aim to solve at least 50 questions from these areas daily. Consistent practice is key. Solve numerous previous year's papers and mock tests. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and understand mistakes. Work on improving your time management by setting strict deadlines for each section. Try to complete the quantitative aptitude section within 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, regular revision is vital. Keep a dedicated notebook for formulas and important concepts, reviewing it daily. On exam day, maintain a positive mindset and stay calm. Strategically attempt questions, starting with your strongest areas to build confidence. Do not spend more than 1 minute on any single question.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.